One big mistake a lot of you content creators are doing over and over again is basically waiting till you get thousands of followers before you start making money from content creation. Now, here's one thing you don't know: content creation is just like a normal business that every single person runs out there. You don't have to wait till you have thousands of customers before you start making money. You can basically start making money from the moment you get some few amount of audience. In this video, I'm going to share with you a complete guide on every single thing you need to know to start making money as a content creator, even without having up to 1,000 subscribers. We all know that based on the YouTube standard rule, in order for you to start making money, you need at least 1,000 subscribers alongside 4,000 hours of watch time before you can get monetized. But the truth is that you actually don't need to wait for this long before you start getting monetized. When it comes to YouTube, some creators are lucky enough to get all of this within a space of 1 month, and some are not lucky enough, so probably you get up to a year before they are able to hit this target. But the truth is that even without hitting this target, you can actually make money through other methods that this platform actually offers. Now, when it comes to making money on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers, the first method here is basically promoting your services. Now, let me say you're a content creator who is basically creating content around, let's take a typical example, web development. Now, you're a YouTuber, you are creating content around web development. You can actually start making money even without having 1,000 subscribers with this service you are teaching, because you are teaching people how to design websites. So instead of waiting there, just creating content and waiting for YouTube to actually monetize you can actually start promoting your web development services on YouTube to the audience that are watching you. Now, here's one thing you don't understand. There are two different audiences watching you. Let me say if you are creating videos around web development, there are two different audiences watching you. One set is those people that are into web development that are learning from you, and the other one are people that are looking for web developers that will work for them. Now you have these two sets of audience on your channel. Now, as a smart web development content creator, what you do in this scenario is basically you promote your services. Now, if you are someone who can actually lecture people on web development, you can basically start promoting your mentorship program like I do on this channel. I offer content creation mentorship. Now, you too can also offer this to your audience, and anyone who is interested can contact you, and you basically set a fee for the person, and you can start making money by teaching that particular skill. And on the other hand as well, you can also make money by offering to build websites for people. So you're into web development, why not promote that? Okay guys, I'm into web development. I can build mobile apps, I can build websites, I can build this software, I can build that. You can actually start promoting this your service as well and start making money instead of just sitting back there and waiting for YouTube to give you your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you get monetized. And the truth is that even if you get monetized on YouTube right now, you won't still make as much money as you make as compared to if you start selling your services instead. Now, the second section here is simply you can make money by promoting products you use or you like. Now, when it comes to content creation, we all know that it's one of the best ways to actually utilize the affiliate marketing industry. I see a lot of people misusing affiliate marketing and I just laugh. And as a content creator, you don't need a lot of subscribers, a lot of followers to start making money. If you are able to have 100 to 500 people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, they can start making you money. Like, just sit back and then try to imagine 500 people in a hall. Just imagine the size of the hall that can be able to contain such amount of people. Now just imagine the magnitude of people that are already on your channel. This will tell you that there's a big room for you to actually make money from them. Now, here's how affiliate marketing works as a content creator. Now, in the first section, I use web development. Now, let me use the beauty niche. Let me say you're into the beauty industry, and definitely if you're in the beauty industry, you definitely use hair creams. Like me, I use a lot of hair creams. You use hair cream, you use facial creams, you use so many different creams just to keep your skin popping, so you'll be able to showcase the industry you are talking about better. Now, as a creator in this industry, instead of just coming every single day telling them that, okay guys, you can do this and that, you can use this cream, this and that, and then make your skin glow, this and that, you can try tweaking up the content a little bit by telling them that, okay guys, I believe you've been watching my channel because eventually over the time they've come to trust you. So what I basically do is simply those products you personally use for yourself or use for tutorial in your video, you basically go over to affiliate banks, maybe like the one on my screen right now, Amazon Associate. Now you sign up for this particular Amazon Associate website, You create account, then you go through any of their beauty products that are available. You take this beauty product, maybe the one you are personally using, you just look for it, you take the link of this product, then next time you make a YouTube video, you can basically let your audience know that, okay guys, so for those of you interested in this product I use in this particular video, the links are down in the video description, just check them out. So you basically let them know, and when any of these your subscribers actually click on those links to go patronize that product, you get to make up to 10%. Now let's say you are promoting a product of, maybe you are promoting a product that worth maybe $200 or $300. Now let's start at $300, and the platform you are promoting it from can pay you up to 10%. Now let's start 10%. Now what is 10% of $300? That is basically $30. Now you're promoting a product of $30, right? Whenever someone makes a purchase, you make $30 in return. Now do the math yourself. Maybe you just get about 50 people to actually patronize that product. Maybe you have up to 500 subscribers. Now in that 500 subscribers, 50 patronize the product. Now 50 times 30, that's a solid $1,500 that you made just from promoting a simple product alone. A product you personally use every single day, you recommended it, you added your link, and then maybe 50 people from that audience actually purchased it, and you have a flat 1,500, as simple as that. Now, with this, you basically don't need to wait for YouTube to monetize before you start making money. You just have to take advantage of the things you have at hand. So guys, that is the second one here, exactly making money through affiliate marketing as a content creator by basically promoting products you know or products you personally use. Now, the next up is basically sponsorship. Now, I know it kind of sounds funny to your ear right now. Like, who is going to sponsor someone with less than 1,000 or even less than 500 subscribers? Now, the truth is that most of the brands you see out there don't really need you to have tens of thousands of subscribers before they sponsor you. The truth you guys don't know on this channel is simply, I made my first money from sponsorship deal when I had barely 400 subscribers. Yeah, I had about 450 subscribers then when I made my first sponsorship deal. Now, basically, the reason why I promoted that service back then was because I was making videos about make money online. And there was this mobile app, and if you remember back then, if you are one of my old-time subscribers, you remember that I was revealing mobile apps about make money online. And this particular app came to me, and then they offered me about $100, I think. Was it between $70 and $100 was what I was offered just to make a review of the mobile application, and I did it, and I took my money like that. Now, the only thing that could give you this sort of sponsorship if you have low audience is your content quality. So if you're a creator who really wants to make money from sponsorship without having a lot of subscribers, I would advise you, don't create random content, don't create anyhow content. Focus more and create high valued content. Create content that delivers value, that really focus on a particular industry so that what brands can sponsor you. So guys, now down to the last thing here you can actually do to make money as a content creator without having a lot of audience is basically selling a digital product. Now, when it comes to selling a digital product, now let me say you are in the crypto trading niche or any niche out there, but let me use crypto as an example on this particular session. So maybe you're a crypto trader, you create content about crypto trading, and that definitely means that every single person who follows you is someone who is interested in cryptocurrency, either wants to trade or need an idea related to cryptocurrency. So what do you do if you find yourself in this space? How do you create a product and start making money? It's simple. You basically create maybe an ebook. You can also use AIs mixed up with your personal knowledge to create an ebook. And then once you create this particular ebook, all you basically do is simply you let them know that maybe you create an ebook about how to get started with crypto trading as a beginner or how to trade meme coins as a beginner. Once you create this complete guide, you can basically start promoting this guide to them and let them know that, okay guys, so you guys have been following me, which definitely means that what you trust me, you believe in what I do. So here is a complete ebook that I've created that will actually guide you through this whole crypto trading of a thing. This is what you need if you are getting started as a beginner, or this is what you need at this stage of your. So you basically create an ebook. It doesn't have to be the crypto industry alone, whether you're health and fitness, whatever industry you find yourself, just create an ebook regarding something that you know that you can actually teach. Like for me, now if I want to create ebook about content creation, there are so many ebooks I can create. The reason I don't create ebooks is basically the reason I don't create a lot of products, I don't do a lot of things is basically because I single-handedly run a full social media agency which places a lot of load on me. That's why I don't have time for other things. So basically for my own case, I'm making money through my agency where I do social media management, video editing, graphic design, video website design, UI, and UX design, website setup. I do a lot of things including mentorship. So That takes my time, and I also do forex trading on the side. Now, if you are someone who needs a social media manager, video editor, graphic designer, or whatever digital service you need, please do well to check out my websites, which is my personal portfolio, or a link will be that in this video description. Over there, we run almost every single digital service that you might need. So you can check it out if you think you are going to need any of our services. The form is there, just fill out the form. We are going to reach out to you ASAP. I work 24/7 when it comes to my work. Now, that aside, so guys, basically that's all I have for you in this video. Don't sit back waiting when you can actually start doing something today. So if you're a content creator who wants to grow, why not smash on that follow button? I've done it. My whole life hovers around content creation. Every single thing I do, I create content around it, except for those. Now guys, with this already said, see you in my next video. Bye.